Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aarti. I hope you all are doing well. Sorry for the video quality because in my room this is dim light and I've also closed my door because outer background noise will literally disturb my way of doing this, and apart from that I just don't want to disturb myself. That's why I've closed the door. And here in this room this light is not sufficient, but still I have to record video here only. Let's do it. So today I'm going to share some idioms and phrases which are very common and which I have literally thought that I should share with you. Definitely I should do it. So keep in mind, this is first. Keep in mind, जब हम बोलते हैं ना कि ध्यान रख, keep this in your mind and try this to incorporate this. Okay. And all of a sudden that happened. All of a sudden accident happened. Next is so far. So I have listened lots of conversation. What was there? They used to see like say in between. So far I have been doing this, and this is what is happening. This is what going on. So I used to think, what does it mean? So far it means ab tak. Ab tak. So far I'm great and I'm working on my this aspect of life, this and that. Okay. At a glance, it means ek nazar mein. At a glance, I just got it. Okay. Next is run out of something. I'm running out of sugar. I'm running out of chocolate. You can like when something is about to end. Okay. So where you can say which is about to get finished. Okay. In a matter of seconds. In a matter of seconds, I just shocked, and it was like something which I've never thought of. And safe and sound. Safe and sound. Next is scare the hell out of me. You just scare the hell out of me. Have a word with someone. से बात करना. From scratch. Zero से. I've started learning English from scratch. If somebody says like this, it's right. Is डे इन डे आउट. इसका मतलब होता है दिन रात मेहनत की उसने. He worked day in day out. Now the next one is in a nutshell or in a brief. Round the clock. Round the clock, it means 24 hours. She works hard round the clock. वो 24 घंटे पूरा दिन मेहनत करती है. Sooner or later we will get our rewards. We will get our results. Sooner or later मतलब होता है आज नहीं तो कल हम अपने रिवॉर्ड्स जरूर लेंगे, अपने प्राइजेस जरूर लेंगे, अपनी रिजल्ट्स जरूर मिलेंगे. Sooner or later God will give us all. Okay. Instead of, I use it a lot of time in my spoken, whenever I'm saying something, I just use it. In spite of, instead of, these are very common. Ke bajai. In the first place. In the first place, I had to work on my personality development. I had to do this. That's how you can make sentences. Over and over. Again and again. You have ever like listened like this, somebody says very fluently over and over, and I just get stuck or hesitant while speaking this because I'm not used to saying this over and over, over and over, over and over, over and over. And the next one is again and again, again and again, over and over, again and again. Okay. Look forward to मतलब कुछ अच्छा होने के लिए हम आशा करते हैं. I'm looking forward to my new journey of MBBS, of an MBBS student. Okay. Next is a couple of. What does it mean? A couple of days are left just for my festive attire to come, this and that. Okay. A couple of, that means कुछ कुछ ही दिन बाकी हैं. A couple of days are left. या बोल सकते हैं एक दो चीजें बाकी हैं. Couple of things are left just to buy and I'll be ready after that. Now the next is for for the time being. इसका मतलब होता है अभी के लिए. For the time being, अभी के लिए. In that case, बोलते हैं ना कि in that case it would be possible. So yeah, in any case, हर हाल में. मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी है. In any case, I have to learn this spoken language. Okay. And at times मतलब कई बार, at times कई बार. Okay. Out of the question. It means सवाल ही नहीं उठता. पापा जी से पैसे मांगने का सवाल ही नहीं उठता. Asking for money to my father is out of questions. So you get it? I think so. Now, from far and near. From far and near. What does it mean? हर जगह से. From far and near. हर जगह से. Okay. Off and on. रुक रुक कर. Off and on. Off and on. रुक रुक कर. On and on. लगातार. रुक रुक कर. Off and on. Off and on. लगातार. On and on. On the verge of. के कगार पर. I was on the verge of getting into depression, but somehow I literally overcome that and I'm happy today. That's how you can create sentences, right? You have to just do practice. You can make hypothetical sentences, imaginary. Okay, next is speak ill of someone. Don't speak ill of someone. That means किसी के बारे में कुछ गंदा मत बोलो. तो जब किसी की बुराई करते हैं तब उसके लिए बोलते हैं कि शी स्पीक्स इल ऑफ हिम. उसके बारे में गंदा बोलती है. स्पीक हाईली ऑफ समवन. जब आप किसी की कुछ ज्यादा ही बड़ाई कर देते हो यार, किसी की चापलूसी करने के चक्कर में. सो डोंट स्पीक हाईली ऑफ समवन. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज फ्रॉम हेड टू टो. फ्रॉम हेड टू टो. दिस इज वेरी कॉमन, राइट? कम टू लाइट. कोई चीज सामने आ जाती है उसे बोलते हैं दैट सीक्रेट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड केम टू लाइट. ओके. इसके लिए एक और इडियम होता है लेट द कैट आउट ऑफ द बैग. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज पोक वंस नोज इनटू समथिंग. डोंट पोक योर नोज इनटू माय वर्क. ओके. सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? अपनी नाक मत घुसेड़ो, मतलब मेरे को डिस्टर्ब मत करो, मेरे काम में दखल अंदाजी मत करो. डोंट पोक योर नोज इन माय टास्क. ओके. अ मैटर ऑफ लाइफ एंड डेथ. समथिंग जो कि बहुत ही वैसी है कि या तो लाइफ एंड डेथ की बात आ रही है. सोचो इन अ मैटर ऑफ लाइफ एंड डेथ, बहुत ही सीरियस बात होगी. एट एनी मोमेंट. इट इज पॉसिबल एट एनी मोमेंट. ओके. एट फर्स्ट साइट. एट फर्स्ट साइट यू कैन मेक सेंटेंस ओवर इट. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज लीव नो स्टोन unturned. It means कोई भी कसर नहीं छोड़ी. My brother left no stone unturned while giving me lectures. उसने कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी, वो छोड़ते भी नहीं है. In broad daylight. दिन दहाड़े चोरी हो गई. Theft. Thief has theft in broad daylight. And next is ask for trouble. मुसीबत मोड़ लेना. You are asking for the trouble. Now just face it. And it's in your court. How will you handle it? Okay. Next is face to fall. What is it? Face to face. Face to face. It means very सामने, आमने सामने. Whatever you have to say, don't say in my back. Just say face to face. I'm here. I will confront you. Okay. All in all, that means कुल मिलाकर. All in all, I would say that yeah, we are growing well in our journey. We are doing little bit of progress also. Next one is ups and downs of our journey are very common. Like it happens with everyone. Don't give up, bro. Give up. Don't give up. Next is how have you been today? That is already done. Juggling, already done. You reminds me of my brother. You reminds me of my mother. So that's how reminds me, किसी की याद दिलाना. Glamorous. ये तो आजकल ट्रेंडिंग में. Glamorous. बहुत ही glamorous है वो एक्ट्रेस. That actress is so glamorous. Unfortunately, I didn't get selection in government medical college. Stir it, boil it. When we do cooking, what we do? We stir and it get boils. So that's it. Concentrated. It means concentrated. That means solid. Solid. Plenty of times. Many times. Many and plenty, both are synonyms. So plenty of times I have tried my NEET exam, but still I wasn't able to crack that. Oh, why am I just making sentences on my journey? Let it be. It was past. Next is crave. क्रेविंग वर्ड हम खाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो एक बार क्या हुआ, वंस व्हाट आई हैव डन, आई यूज्ड दिस क्रेविंग वर्ड फॉर माय लर्निंग curiosity. So that is wrong. Craving is we use it for cooking purpose and food purpose. Like I'm craving for gulab jamun. Recipe, the recipe of gajar ka halwa, it's best. Roasted in ghee, in vegetable ghee. We roast it. It roasted it. Roast word is related to like cooking also. And roast, roast roast somebody, right? Black gulab jamun. Why did I write here? I don't know. Maybe I want to eat this at this festive season. Okay. Apply henna. What does it mean? Henna, it means मेहंदी. लड़कियों के लिए, लड़कियां जानते होंगे. Henna. Apply henna. I don't apply henna on my hands. Okay. Rituals. कुछ परंपराएं होती हैं, उनको बोलते हैं rituals. In my family, there are lots of rituals which are followed by my parents, and it's been 25 and 30 years, but still they do that, and it's good part of our Indian legacy. And day after tomorrow, it means the day next to tomorrow. Okay. Take, take, uh-huh. Take along outside. हाँ, that is along her. It means उसके साथ. Okay. Get up, उठना. Morning में आप उठते हो ना, get up. बेड से हटना, उठ करके जाना. Well being, अच्छे के लिए, आपकी लाइफ के लिए बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. वेल बीइंग. मून साइड. ओके, सॉरी. कॉपरेट, किसी को आप कॉपरेट करते हो, आप किसी को सपोर्ट करते हो किसी चीज में, राइट? तो कॉपरेट करो प्लीज. अटायर, क्लॉथिंग, व्हाट डू यू वेयर. ड्रेस्ड अप, व्हेन वी informally we get dress up, that is called. ड्रेस डाउन अलग होता है, ड्रेस अप अलग होता है. Phrasal verb. And the next is obsessed. I'm obsessed with desserts. Okay. Fulfilling, like my this journey of learning new things is very fulfilling. Now the next is stand out. I want to stand out in the crowd. And the next is commendable. You are doing commendable, you will get it. Next is my spirit high. Okay. At this point of time, we are full of spirit and our spirit is high. Holistically, I don't know what does it mean, but I'll tell you later. And the next is outlook. आउटलुक मतलब ऊपर से हम जब किसी चीज को देखते हैं कि क्या है, क्या सीन चल रहा है, तो उसे बोलते हैं आउटलुक, है ना? ऊपर से ही हम अज्यूम करते हैं कि ऐसा 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 हो सकता है इसमें. वैसे ही थॉट, thoughtful, thoughtful. कोई idea, any idea which gives you that trigger that you can think about it. Stimulus, triggered, I don't know if that right word to use here or not, but stimulus to get, like, think about that. Okay, that is thoughtful. Impression, it matters, but I don't know how to work on it. Now the next is acquire. You are getting, after your birth, you are just learning that thing or getting habitual of that. Inhibition, inhibit, रोकना, रोकना. Inhibition. Cram, रट्टा मार. Cram, रट्टा मारना. Multilingual, polyglot, who speaks many languages, who knows many languages. Fascinating, this idea of working on content creation, it's fascinating. Grasp, I am not good at grasping, but I'm trying to do good in this. Okay. Certainly, I will work on it. Definitely, I will work on it. So, there are certain things which I am trying to work on. So, here, certain is different. Certainly is different. Try to understand this. Now the next is get rid of something. छुटकारा पाना चाहती हूँ मैं इस तैयारी से नीट की तैयारी से. I want to get rid of this NEET prep and I got rid of it just because of my father. Now the next is eliminate. I just want to eliminate this negative energy from my life. Reduce. I want to reduce my overthinking. I really need to do that. Superfluous. It means unnecessary. These all the gadgets which you bought are superfluous. Why did you buy these? And I think it's right. Reluctant. I'm reluctant while speaking, hesitant or kind of feel sometimes nervous. That deliberately, it means intentionally. I am not trying to defame you intentionally, deliberately. I'm not trying to put you down deliberately. Resilience. In life, resilience is very important. When you get damaged by someone, when you get hurt by someone, you need resilience. That will help you to get back on your way. Ubiquitous. Everywhere. It's ubiquitous. Plants are ubiquitous. Epitome or quintessential. Amazoni is quintessential in cricket. Perplexing, confusing, perplexing, confusing. Perspiring, sweating, and perspiring. These both are synonyms. I slipped out something. So slip out it means भूल जाना, miss कर देना, right? And slip out. My tongue slipped up, yeah, slipped out. That's how. Conspicuous, easily like understandable that yeah, this is that. And the next is pivotal. Pivotal, it means essential, important, crucial. Pivotal. Meticulous. Meticulous matlab very careful. Meticulous, very careful. I don't know. These were all the word meanings are from one video which I have seen later, like 1 hour before this. I don't know. If I am saying something wrong, please let me know in the comment box. Fathom, fathom, agreed, and I just understand it. I fathom it. Okay. Infallible, infallible. It means flawless. Infallible. It means flawless. Next is I'm methodical. Methodical. It means planned. मैं planning करके चलती हूँ. Sorry. I do things methodically. It means planning के साथ करती हूँ, right? Mesmerized. I'm mesmerized by the beauty of that little girl. Okay. Majestic. जादुई. Retain. अपने अंदर कब तक आप absorb करके रख सकते हैं? Retain करना. Next is compete. I'm competing for this competition. Compete and competition both are different. Now the next one is converge and conversation. Difference समझ लेना. That is important. What do you do in your leisure time? Leisure. खाली समय में क्या करते हो? जब रेस्ट करते हो उस वक्त क्या करते हो? Sort of reading books and all. So sort of, kind of. उसके लिए यूज करते हैं. It's going to be a very long video. I'll try to end this now. Simultaneously. That is very familiar word, right? Look after, take care of look after your parents, take care of their cut the corners, summarize something in a easy way and cheap way. So yeah, my thought of learning English might be resonating with you, and I hope for the best that we will learn it very soon. Let's end this video here because I just wanted to revise all of these words. So I've just shared all of these with you. See you again in the next video. Bye.